Now we're heading toward Quezon National Forest Park. So ito yung bridge na palatandaan nyo before entering doon sa Quezon National Forest Park, Zigzag Road or Bitukang Manok. Now after the bridge, turn right and heading towards the Quezon National Forest Park. So ito na yung road going there. Alright guys, so nandito tayo ngayon. We're passing through the National Forest Park ng Quezon or Antimonan, Quezon. So you see itong left and right ko is full of trees and forestry. So preserved tong area na to, no? So yan, paakyat tayo doon. Makikita nyo doon yung signage ng Quezon Forest Park. Yan. So may mga nagbabike din, no? Yan, kita nyo dito. Quezon National Park, improved by President Ferdinand E. Marcos 1969 and Governor Anacleto Alcal. Kaya na tayo. Zigzag ito, kaya kailangan natin bumuelo ng matindi. So ganyan ang buwelo natin dahil matarik itong zigzag na to. So one way tayo muna, pinadaan muna tayo. So meron pa tayong isang akyatan maliban dyan. So akyat tayo. So yan, medyo basa ang kalsada dahil umulan. Pero you see this magnificent view of this Quezon National Forest Park. Ganda. So sa Pilipinas lang yan. Dito lang natin makikita ang wonders of nature. Yan, kita niyo yung background na yun. Para kayong nandun sa Jurassic Park.
Jurassic Park.
So ito, na-improve na rin yung kalsada before nung nakauwi tayo. Hindi ganun kaganda yung kalsada, but now you see the pavement already cemented bago yung kalsada ngayon. So still paakyat tayo. So naka-low gear tayo and patay din ang aircon para malakas yung hatak ng ating makina. So dito makakatipid kayo ng 30 minutes dahil dito shortcut kaysa dun dadaan kayo dun sa isang major road na puro truck ang dumadaan. Mas mahirap at mas mahaba ang travel ninyo. But here, when you take this road, you will save at least 30 minutes of your driving time. So nakalampas na tayo dun sa isang akyat na zigzag na area. Yan pang isa bago tayo bumaba doon sa main road ng Maharlika. Right, so today is March 29, alas 4:15 ng hapon. So punta tayo ng Antimonan, Quezon and we will have some vacation, doon spend tayo ng vacation. Sobrang presko dito sa lugar na to dahil marami siyang puno. Nag-improve na yung kalsada. Dati dadaan kayo dun sa talagang sobrang lubak-lubak na kalsada. And okay, so pag medyo pababa, so siyempre engine braking tayo, kailangan dahan-dahan lang. So you see that, reduce speed now. So enjoy lang natin yung ating driving. So ito yung kahabaan ng road ng Quezon Forest Park. So pagka dumaan kayo dito sa gabi, ang makikita nyo lang yung ilaw ng mga sasakyan na dumadaan kasi wala talaga ditong street light. hindi kayo sanay na dumaan dito, at kung first time na dadaan kayo, dapat dahan-dahan lang yung pag-drive.
Now on the left side, yellow barriers, it serves as reflectorized during the night kapag tinamaan ito ng inyong mga headlights.
Yan o, so itong part na to, hindi pa ganun na-improve. Yan yung mga nadaanan natin kanina, na-improve na yung kalsada. So may mga portions pa na hindi pa totally naayos.
Now, as you notice here on both sides, there's a yellow barrier that is called rolling barriers. So, anong purpose ba ng rolling barriers? Unang-una, to reduce the accidents numbers. Pangalawa, to reduce the severity of accidents. Pangatlo, to reduce the damage to vehicles. Pang-apat, to reduce the injury to human body. At panglima, to save lives from accidents. Now, ano ba ang mga advantages ng rolling barriers? No? So it increases the safety of humans and vehicles. And pangalawa, it has shock absorbent system which reduces sudden shocks on vehicles. And pangatlo, it converts shock energy to rotary rotational energy. So meaning, when you accidentally hit this barrier, magro-roll lang o mag-glide o mag-slide yung side ng car nyo dito sa rolling barriers na to. So it prevents you from fatal accident.
Here, yan. Ito na yung pasok na tayo dito sa Maharlika Highway. So, paano na tayo? Alright. So, yun yung end ng ating Quezon National Forest Park. So, punta na tayo dun sa Quezon. So, na yung bulubundukin ng Quezon. Ay, ano naman ay ayan na naman kay Makason yan ay yan. So umulan, hindi ko maintindihan yung panahon. Umuulan, tapos mamaya araw, tapos magiging yung panahon magiging matamlay or yung didilim, tapos uulan ulit, tapos araw. So pasumpong-sumpong no? Yan. So we're heading now to our destination sa Atimonan, Quezon. So we're here. Welcome to Atimonan.
Thanks be to God, we arrived safely. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. I'm Architect Jojo Golfeo sharing with you what Archie knows.